What's up guys, welcome back to part 2. This part we're going to put the transmission back in, put the drive shaft on, put together all the turbo, cold side and hot side stuff, and then we're going to get our first start up and a few videos of us running out. Alright, a little update. Got done FaceTiming with the family. We're clocked at 12 and 6 for feed and return. We're clocked for this to go into the cold side. That's hooked up. Just need to add 2 couplers there. This is tightened down. This is tightened down. We took this apart. Notice that there's 2 springs in it. So we're running the softer spring for right now for less boost. I don't have a CO2 tank, so we're just going to run this. This is going to be left the atmosphere. This has got to get plugged. This is going to go to the front side of the turbo. And then this is the water-cooled ports, so they're okay to be open. So those are fine. Yep, we got the drain here. Still have to put that in. I was getting the turbo in there and clocked and everything before I went ahead and mounted it because I figured that was going to change some things. Right now I'm planning on drilling and tapping the oil pan. Don't worry for those guys who think I need to weld it. I've got another one down there, as you can see, with the oil filter. I got another pan down there. I'll probably take that out to get welded for one. But right now what I'm doing is I'm moving the oil cooler from here onto this bracket, and then I'm going to get the radiator installed in here, and then the fans are attached to the radiator. Alright, so this is the thing I bought on Amazon to add a bead to this. Done it a little bit, but you just put it in, slowly turn it around 1 or 2 times, it gets easy.
Don't fuck around.
Go.
Just relax.
Turn it a little bit.
Let it go. I'm sick of
And
waiting.
roll it again. Turn a little bit. That's what it came with. That's the one I just made. So I think I want to go over this side, add some on this one. So we had to take the hot side off to get the turbo mounted correctly. I couldn't get back here with wrenches when it was in the car. So had to take it out, bolt this up, and then when we go to mount it in, we'll have to tighten these down. We'll have to pull this whole thing in and then put this on. Other than that, we got the radiator bracket in, oil relocated. This still has to get a bracket so it doesn't wiggle. Thinking I'm just gonna get something small that goes here to here. So from here to over here, and that'll hold it in place. Same with this one from here to over here. So it'll probably go flat and then bend over right there. I'm gonna hammer that down. But everything else runs fine. I got the feed line for the oil. The drain's gonna go in there. Still gonna plan on tapping and drilling the oil pan. Other than that, all this looks like it's gonna fit. That right there. It kind of rubs that a little bit, but I don't know what else I can do with that. Yeah, nothing else I can really do for that. Unless I get one of those custom kits, custom make your own ones, and then it can come straight over into it. But this should be fine. Oil drain's gonna follow that into the oil pan. I can show you guys I got plenty of room under here. I can get in here and tap this. Can't decide if I want to go back further or somewhere up here. Still deciding if I want to do it here or here. I might do it here just because, oops, sorry. Might do it here or here just because of where it is and location of where I can get a drill to it. Yep, but so there's the feed. Oil filter should still fit. Should. If not, I can grind this off a little bit. New torque converter's in, bolted down. New rear main seal. Transmission's in. Little guy's here with me. Say hi. He wants to come look at the camera. Cheese. Say cheek, no touch. Say cheek. Oh, what'd you throw? Oh, a washer? The little guy helping me out. Say hi. Hot. Hot. Oh, you wanna go get a snack? That's gonna do it for right now, though. We're gonna get back. We'll tap and drain the oil.
With the COVID, excuse me, with dealing with everything we have to do with. Look, if
drill and tap the oil pan, and then the only thing left is my exhaust. It's got to get worked on a little bit at the shop still. Yeah, you think that's funny? You think that's funny, buddy? Don't push my eye. That hurts. No. Beep. Beep. But we'll get back to it. Alright, so we're here checking everything over. We got everything plumbed up. These are tightened down. The lines are in. The fans are in. Nice radiator mount put in. So this is against the radiator. It's not going anywhere. We got rubber between so it doesn't rub on anything. Turbo's in. That braided line on the bottom's the drain. Those two black ones are the oil cooler. That top one's the feed. Everything's in. Vacuum lines are all set. Intercooler's done. We're plumbed. So next up, we're going to go ahead and do the first startup.
Wait.
Here, I'll hold you. Come here. Take a drink first. There we go. First startup's good. Just gonna check everything over for oil leaks and spillages and fix it up from there. We still gotta get the exhaust on. That's at work, getting work done right now. And then should be driving by sometime this week. All right, guys, it's been a few days since we've put everything together now. Just doing a little testing here and there and figuring out what works, what doesn't work. I tried having my radiator fans and trans fans hooked up to the same thing. I've got 2 relays wired the same. It seems to be every time that they trigger. So these both of the signal relays go to the terminator, one output. But it seems like when these both trigger, the trans fan will stay on when I kill the terminator. So I think I'm going to go back to 1 fan output, 1 trans fan output. And that'll be that. Some things that didn't work out. Oil cooler had to move over so I can get more room for the lines. Because as you can see right there, oil cooler lines were resting on the header. So I ended up moving them. Problem is it actually burnt through it. Right there. Oops. Right there. So, no bueno. New lines will come tomorrow. Yeah, but right now we're just changing the oil and filter, and yeah, we should be fine. Moved this over here so that we can fit the bumper on right here. And that's about it. And just normal maintenance and routine stuff now. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Go ahead if you like it. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment what do you guys want to see more. And stay tuned. We'll see you next time on GSW Racing.